Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to reveal an incredible tip for accessing ChatGPT Plus at a much more affordable price. You already know ChatGPT, this revolutionary tool that helps you create content, solve problems, and much more. But the Plus subscription, with its faster responses and advanced capabilities, can seem a bit expensive. Fortunately, I have a solution for you. Gams Go. In this video, we will see how to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus at a reduced price thanks to GamsGo, and how to use the exclusive promo code KVVNY to save even more. Stay until the end, and as usual, the promo code and the link to access the offer are in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you go through there, you directly support our work. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started right away. To start, go to gamsgo.com. It's a platform that allows you to get digital subscriptions at really advantageous prices. Once on the site, create an account by clicking on Sign Up. You can do this with your email address, Google, or Facebook. It's simple, fast, and secure. Once logged in, search for ChatGPT Plus in the list of available platforms. You will discover an offer much cheaper than the official rate of $20 per month. Thanks to GamsGo, you can enjoy ChatGPT Plus for only €5.87 per month, or a total of €17.59 if you choose a quarterly plan. A significant saving, especially if you use the tool often. Once you have selected the offer that suits you, you will see a field to enter a promo code. This is where the code KVVNY will be useful. Enter it, click Apply, and enjoy the additional discount. Thanks to this code, your ChatGPT Plus subscription becomes even more affordable. You will pay only €17.07 for the 3-month plan, which is a price of €5.69 per month. Frankly, it's a golden opportunity for all regular ChatGPT users. Then, finalize your payment by choosing a method that suits you, which can be done via credit card or Google Pay. After the purchase, your credentials will be directly available in your user area on GamsGo. You just need to use them to activate ChatGPT Plus and immediately enjoy all these features. Please note that this is a shared subscription, so you will have a shared ChatGPT account. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you have access to ChatGPT Plus at an unbeatable price. Don't forget the promo code in the description. If this tip was helpful to you, consider sharing the video with your friends, leaving a comment to tell us what you think, and of course subscribing so you don't miss any of our upcoming great deals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you very soon for more awesome tips. Alright, bye. À toți user